We have with us Karnataka BJP Chief, Mr. B.Y. Vijayendra. So thank you so much for joining us. First and foremost, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah vehemently claiming that he will not resign. And what are your thoughts on it? What kind of pressure will the BJP put in terms of moral grounds having him resign?
Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, I was watching his press briefing yesterday. Even after the High Court judgment, even after the observation by the Honorable High Court that prima facie case has been made out in Mysore Muda scam, and Chief Minister family is beneficiary in this Muda scam, and Chief Minister is has silently supported this corruption case. This is observation not made by the Bharatiya Janata Party. This is observation made by the High Court. In spite of this, the claim of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah that he is very innocent, is not corrupt, and is not going to resign on these allegations is very unfortunate. Bharatiya Janata Party, we had raised these corruption issues against the Congress government. We had raised these issues against corrupt Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji. After Governor has accorded sanction, after High Court has upheld the sanction, Governor sanction, Bharatiya Janata Party, we are going to fight it out. We will take it to the streets and we will ensure Siddaramaiah should resign.
He has also mentioned that this is political conspiracy of the BJP as well as the JDS, also talking about how they have made several futile attempts to destabilize the government.
Madam, yesterday's observation made by the High Court, it is a clear indictment against the Chief Minister and Chief Minister family. So even after the High Court judgment, Siddaramaiah, the respected Chief Minister, should stop claiming that he is a non-corrupt politician. He should stop that he is very innocent, because High Court had made a clear remark in its judgment. Probably he has not gone through the judgment properly. So I request Siddaramaiah ji to go through the judgment. He should see the observation made in the High Court judgment and respectfully resign from the CM's post.
So my final question, there is also legal options that are being explored by the Congress government. Will you be fighting it in case they head to the Supreme Court or they head to a larger bench in the High Court itself? What are the BJP's plans? Because the JDS is now looking to go to Lokayukta to ask them to file an FIR, register an FIR and go ahead with the probe.
I don't know what JDS party is doing. As far as BJP is concerned, we are pretty clear on this issue. We can't expect any fair investigation by the Lokayukta police. Bharatiya Janata Party, our demand is proper and fair investigation can take place only by the CBI. So I demand Chief Minister should hand over this investigation to CBI.
So you will fight it at the Supreme Court as well if they go to that?
There is no question of keeping quiet. We will fight it out as long as Chief Minister, till he resigns, BJP is going to fight it out.
Thank you so much, sir. So that was the BJP claiming that they will go through with the protest, make it more aggressive, and they will not stop until the Chief Minister resigns. With camera person Govind, Pratibha Raman in Bengaluru for NDTV.